Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolutist. 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 Absolutist is an adjective used to describe someone or something that adheres to or promotes absolutism, which is the belief in or advocacy for absolute authority or principles without compromise. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The absolutist ruler believed in the absolute authority of the monarchy, with no room for checks on his power. Why absolutist use in example number 1? In this example, absolutist describes the ruler's belief in absolute authority without compromise. Example number 2. Her absolutist leadership style left little room for dissent or compromise within the organization. Why absolutist use in example number 2? Here, absolutist describes her leadership style characterized by a lack of compromise and dissent. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.